How to fix try again. We restrict certain activity on Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone like this and then scroll down, go to the apps manager on your phone. Right here on this page, go to apps. Now all what you have to do here is very simple and easy. Just wait a few seconds until the page gets loaded and then scroll down until you find the Instagram app like this and then click on it and you will find many options here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on the storage option, and after you click on the storage, now all what you have to do here is very simple, so please keep watching. First thing, click on this option, it's called clear data, and then go back, click on this force stop option and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.